Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. I am by the another beautiful ideas about the designs of garden decor, garden landscape ideas, garden importance. If we discuss about the garden importance designs are most attractive and most stylish landscape ideas that enhance the beauty of your garden. If we discuss about the designs and the importance of garden, that is the environmental, health and social reasons, that is improve the quality of air, plants absorb the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. One of the most benefit of garden decorations designs and landscape is the biodiversity. Garden provides the habitat for birds, bees and butterflies and other wildlife. Plants' roots help prevent the other sources of designs. There are many health benefits of garden decoration, and if we discuss about the landscape decoration is more aesthetic and creativity. Mental well-being gardening reduce the stress and anxiety and promote the relaxation. It encourages the physical activity and can help the lower blood pressure and improve the heart uh, health. Home garden provides the fresh nutrition and fruits and vegetables. If we discuss about the educational value, that is the garden teach the responsibility, patience and science like plants, biology and ecoeconomics and system. They also promote the hands-on learning. There are many benefits of social and community value. Community garden brings the people together and strengthen neighbors' bonds. They promote the food security. Aesthetic creativity are mentioned on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel and to like my YouTube videos. If we discuss about the landscape ideas about the garden decor that enhance the natural beauty of an outdoor space by carefully design the layout, plants, features, it transforms a simple garden into the beautiful, peaceful and retreat. Well planned landscape includes the use of flowers, trees, pathways, water, lights, features, decorative elements to create the beautiful garden landscape ideas. This is very beautiful ideas that is enhance the beauty of garden, improve the value and of home public space, but also bring the joy, relaxation and deeper connection with nature. A beautiful landscape garden can reflect the personal style, promote biodiversity, and offering refresh from busy urban life. If you like my YouTube videos, then please like, share, and more updated videos. Landscaping is the art of shaping the natural environment to create a visualizing functional outdoor spaces. Its beauty lies in the harmonious changes between the nature and designs, blending plants, flowers, trees, water features, and pathways into a peaceful, inviting atmosphere. A well landscape areas adds a color, texture, structure to the space, make it come alive in every season. It can also enhance the appeal of your home public areas, but also lift a spirit, offering the space of inspirational and connection with the nature. Landscape turns the ordinary space into the beautiful living work of art. If you are interested in landscape artworking, then this video is for you. Landscape is an art. Nature living convex. It is more just arranging the plants and beautiful decor designs. It is true form of art. Like painting, landscaping require the vision, creativity, attention to detail. Landscape artists use the natural elements like soil, water, rock, trees, flowers, and grass as their tools to shape the outdoor environments that are both functional and beautiful. A well designed landscape balancing aesthetic with purpose. It considers the layouts of space, natural lighting, season, even the lifestyle of those who use it. Every color is very beautiful because landscape ideas are more aesthetic that recreate and transform your home very well designed. Landscape also creates the mood, a garden with soft greenery, following the flower shades of different colors, medications like a colorful landscape full of flowers, plants can feel the energetic and joyful. The emotional connection makes the landscape a powerful and personal form of expression. Landscape enhance the environmental value. It spores the cools urban heat, provide a beautiful air, fresh air. Sustainability of landscaping the practice as a such native plants and the beautiful ideas for blending and landscaping ideas. Landscaping turn outdoor spaces into the living work of art, ever changing, deeply meaningful, and connecting with the nature. It is where the creativity meets the earth and beautiful ideas about the designs of your home, how to decorate your home, how to decorate your living and landscaping ideas. So, in simple words, landscaping is an art form. So if you are interested in garden decor designs, then this video and this collection is for you. Don't wait, like my YouTube videos so you easily achieve a different videos related to the designs of landscaping, garden decor designs, enhance the visual of your home and public areas. So keep watching, stay with me. In this collection you see 150 plus ideas about the landscaping design for modern and aesthetic house decorations designs. So thank you so much guys, take care and bye bye.